Hi everyone, this is Shravani. Welcome to my channel NCRT Medici. In this video, we are going to discuss the important points of EVS Class 3. Question number 1. Dash bird moves her neck back and forth with jerk. A. Owl. B. Myna. C. Eagle. D. Robin Hood. Which bird moves her neck back and forth with jerk? Back and forth with jerk. It is option B. Myna. Myna moves her neck back and forth with jerk. This is the bird myna which moves its neck back and forth. Question number 2. Dash rotate its neck backwards to a large extent. A. Owl. B. Myna. C. Eagle. D. Robin Hood. Which bird moves its neck backwards to a large extent, that is 360 degrees extent? It is owl which moves its neck backwards to a large extent. Completely it can move its neck backward, that is owl. Owl is a bird which moves its neck completely backwards. Question number 3. Conveying feelings through hands is called A. Bhavas. B. Mudras. C. Gestures. D. A and B. Conveying feelings through hands. Through hands. It is B. Mudras. Next. Question number 4. Conveying feelings through faces is called. Conveying feelings through faces is called A. Bhavas. B. Mudras. C. Gestures. D. A and B. Conveying feelings through faces with facial expressions. When we convey feelings, then it is called as A. Bhavas. Mudras is with hand. It is the boy showing his feeling through his face. It is also a type of expression, that is bhava. Most probably these bhavas are used in Bharatanatyam. Question number 5. Which of the following are correct? A. Birds have feathers of different colors, shapes and sizes. B. Feathers help birds to fly and keep them warm too. C. All birds rotate their neck to large extent. D. Birds lose their old feathers and new ones comes in their place. Which of the following are correct? Birds have feathers of different colors. Yes, birds have feathers of different colors, shapes and sizes. B. Feathers help birds to fly and keep them warm too. That is, feathers nothing but wings. With the help of wings only the bird can fly, and these feathers will keep the bird warm. So, option A and option B are correct. Option C, all birds rotate their neck to large extent. It is not all birds. It is only the owl. It is only the owl which can rotate its neck to large extent. So option C is wrong. D. Birds lose their old feathers and new ones comes in their place. It is correct. Birds will lose their old feathers and in that place new ones will be coming. So this is also the right option. So in the question they asked you the correct one. So A, B and D are the right answers. It is option B is the correct option. You can see that birds are having the beautiful feathers, and these feathers will help them to fly and also to keep them warm. And these feathers, they will lose their feathers after some days, and in that place the new ones will be coming. Next, question number 6. Activities are given to the students to do at home by consulting their parents, neighbors, etc. What is the reason behind it? A. Children engage at home. B. Children develop an understanding that beside teacher, other people can also be a source of information. C. Children can disturb their parents. D. Children can teach their parents and neighbors. we will be giving activities, or teachers will be giving activities to the students to do at home by consulting their parents or neighbors. For example, collect some seeds and stick them in the book and name them. Children may not know all the names of the seeds or the substances, so they have to consult the parents for sure or neighbors for sure. So why this type of activity is given to the students to do at home? A, to engage at home. We will be giving activity every time. We have to put in mind that to teach something from the activity, not to just make them engage. So option A is wrong. B, children develop an understanding that beside teacher, other people can also be a source of information. So by giving this activity, children will be understanding that not only teacher, remaining people also can be the source of information. Remaining people also knows many things. You can learn many things from the remaining people who are around us. Okay, option B is the right answer. It is not to disturb the parents, or it is not to teach their parents and the neighbors. We are giving the activity. We are giving activity so that the children will understand, other than teacher, the parents or the people around him are the source of information. Option B is the right answer. Question number 7. The crown on the peacock head is called A, beak, B, beak, C, crest, D, crust. The crown on the peacock head is called. It is option C, crest. You can see in the picture the crown on the head of the peacock. It is crest. Question number 8. Teacher gave an activity that children are encouraged to ask their grandparents about the transport system in their times. Why? A, it helps children to understand the changes that have come in vehicles over time. B, it helps children to engage in home. C, it provides opportunities for children to discuss with their parents. D, it helps children to increase their knowledge. Some activities will be given to the children like that they can go and communicate with the people in their house or the neighbors. Here an activity is given to the children so that they can ask their grandparents about the transport system in their times. In what way this activity help, and why this type of activities are given to the children to do at home? A, it helps children to understand the vehicles changes that have come in the vehicles over time. Yes, by asking this type of questions, then the grandparents will be telling that when we are small, we used to go by walk. We used to don't have cars or bicycles. We used to have bullock carts, tractors, tongas, etc. So by asking this type of questions or giving this type of activities, children will be learning to communicate with the elders at their home, and learn to learn new things from their elders. So option A is the right answer, and it helps children to engage is the wrong answer, and it provides opportunities for children to discuss with their. Okay, it is a positive thing only, but which suits the answer is option A. D, it helps children to increase their knowledge. Yes, but the most why we are giving the activity means because they will understand that there is a change in the vehicles over time. Before there are no cars or aeroplanes or trains. Now they are. So they will be understanding the problems they have faced when there is no correct transport system. It is option A. Ninth one. Before starting lesson, teachers should give opportunity to observe and understand pictures. It helps children to A, develop the skills of picture reading. B, develop observation. C, A and B. D, none. When the teacher is starting the lesson, if there is a picture, the teacher should give time to the children and ask them to observe the picture and say their views. Different children will be giving the different views. So how this type of activities will help the children? A, develop the skills of picture reading. Yes, children will develop. This is a picture. You can see that you can ask the children what is going on in the picture. Then children will see the picture and tell that the boy is riding, and women is riding the camel, and this woman is going to school, and like that the girl is going to school, and you can see that these boys and girls are going to school, and uncle is selling something, and they also tell that the children are late to school, so that's why they are running. So like that they will be giving creative answers. With the help of this, the children will be, when we are asking the children to observe and understand the pictures, it will help the children to develop picture reading, and also develop the observation, so that they will be observing what things I can tell the teacher in different way. It will develop the creativeness also. So option C is the right answer. It helps in developing both the skills of picture reading and also the observation. Option C is the right answer, A and B. Question number 10. Discussing about different kinds of works help children A. to understand different kinds of works are equally important. B. to understand no work is better or worse than any other. C. to know about different kinds of works. D. both A and B. Discussing about different kinds of works helps children. Different kinds of works. When we are discussing about the different kinds of work in the class, how does this discussion help the children? A. To understand different kinds of works are equally important. When we are discussing different kinds of work, the teacher should discuss in such a way that every person duty or their works are very very important. The teacher should not degrade any category of the work. B. To understand no work is better or worse than any other. We should not compare one work with the other. Every work is better by itself. So, no work is better, no work is worse. Like that, she should the discuss about the different kinds of works in the classroom. C. To know about different kinds of works. So, by doing this type of discussion, children will be coming to know the different kinds of works. D. Both A and B. See here, all the answers are positive. But in what way the child is helping mostly, which is appropriate answer, that one we have to tick. Here the children will be understanding the different kinds of works are equally important, and to understand no work is better or worse than any other. They will be understanding that every work is better itself and no work is worse. So both option A and B are right. Here you can see that the lady is sweeping. Then the teacher can put a discussion here that the lady is sweeping here. They are constructing the house, and the boy is giving tea to them, and the man is preparing tea there, and the women is selling the flowers. Here all works are equally important. You can say that if this lady is not there, if this lady is thinking that this work is small, then who will clean the road? So every work is equally important, and no work is worse and no work is better. Like that the teacher should do discussion. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you like the session, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.